Bay windows are a stunning architectural feature that can transform the look and feel of any room. With their unique protruding design, bay windows offer panoramic views, an abundance of natural light, and a sense of spaciousness. In Dallas, where homes often feature a mix of modern and traditional styles, bay windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add charm, elegance, and functionality to their homes. However, to keep your bay windows looking as beautiful as the day they were installed, regular maintenance is essential. In this article, we'll guide you through some easy yet effective steps to maintain your bay windows and ensure they continue to enhance the beauty of your Dallas home for years to come. Clean your windows regularly. The first step in maintaining your bay windows is keeping them clean. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on your windows over time, especially if they are in areas that are exposed to outdoor elements like rain, wind, or pollen. Regular cleaning not only helps maintain the clarity and shine of your windows but also prevents buildup that can cause damage to the glass and frame. To clean the windows, use a microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to wipe down the glass. Avoid abrasive materials that could scratch the surface. Clean the sills and frames with a damp cloth. If you notice any buildup, use a mild soap solution to remove dirt and grime. If your bay windows have trapezoid or angled glass, make sure to clean all the angles thoroughly to remove dust and spider webs. For hard-to-reach areas, consider using a window cleaning extension pole or hiring a professional window cleaning service to ensure every corner is sparkling clean. Inspect and maintain seals and weather stripping. Bay windows often have multiple panes of glass, which means there are more opportunities for air to leak in if the seals aren't maintained. Over time, weather stripping around your bay window can deteriorate, leading to drafts, higher energy bills, and potential water damage. Inspect the weather stripping around the edges of your windows at least once a year. Look for signs of wear, such as cracks, tears, or missing sections. If you notice any issues, replace the weather stripping promptly to ensure that your bay windows are properly sealed. Additionally, check for any gaps or cracks in the caulking around the window frame. If the caulking is cracked or missing, moisture can seep in, causing wood rot or other damage to the window frame. Simply apply new weatherproof caulk to maintain a tight seal and keep moisture out. Maintain the window frame. Whether your bay windows are made of wood, vinyl, or fiberglass, it's important to keep the window frames in good condition. Each material requires different care, but regular upkeep is key to preserving the longevity of your bay windows. Wood frames. Wood can be susceptible to water damage, rot, and pests. Regularly check for signs of moisture or woodpecker damage, especially if your windows are near trees or in areas prone to high humidity. You should repaint or refinish wood frames every few years to maintain their beauty and protect them from the elements. Vinyl frames. Vinyl is low maintenance but can still accumulate dirt or grime over time. Use a soft cloth and a mild detergent solution to clean the frames. Avoid abrasive cleaners, which can damage the finish. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass frames are durable and resistant to damage but should still be cleaned regularly to prevent dust buildup. Use a gentle cleaner to keep the frames looking pristine. In addition to cleaning, inspect the frames for any signs of damage or deterioration, such as cracks or fading. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Check the window mechanism, if applicable. If your bay windows have operable sections, such as casement windows that open outward, it's important to check the window mechanisms regularly. These windows are typically hinged, and the hinges and hardware may need lubrication over time to ensure smooth operation. Lubricate the hinges and locks with a silicone-based lubricant to keep them functioning properly. If the window doesn't open or close smoothly, check for any obstructions or misalignment. You may need to adjust the mechanism or call a professional to realign the window. Maintaining the operable parts of your bay windows will ensure they continue to function well and prevent potential problems with sticking or difficulty opening. Protect from UV damage. While bay windows let in an abundance of natural light, this can also expose your interior furnishings to the harmful effects of UV rays. Over time, the sun can cause fading and damage to your furniture, carpets, and wall colors. To protect your home and your furnishings, consider applying UV-resistant window film to reduce the amount of harmful UV radiation that enters your home. Use window treatments, such as blinds, curtains, or shades, to block the sun during the hottest parts of the day, especially if your bay windows face direct sunlight. By taking these steps, you can minimize the effects of UV damage and keep your interior decor looking fresh. Trim surrounding trees and shrubs. Bay windows often extend outward from the wall, which can make them more vulnerable to damage from overgrown trees or shrubs. Branches and leaves that come into contact with the window can scratch the glass, damage the frame, and create an environment for pests. To prevent this, regularly trim any nearby trees or shrubs that may be in close proximity to your bay windows. Keeping the area clear not only protects your windows but also helps maintain clear views and better light intake. Conclusion: preserve the beauty and functionality of your bay windows. Bay windows are a beautiful and functional feature in your Dallas home, but like any important investment, they require regular maintenance to ensure their longevity. By cleaning the glass and frames, maintaining the seals and weather stripping, and addressing any damage promptly, you can ensure your bay windows continue to add charm and value to your home for years to come. With proper care, your bay windows will not only look great but also provide you with energy savings, improved comfort, and a space that's always inviting to guests.